Hey friends, this is Atif Vat and welcome to the new update on Pepe. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you a down channel that Pepe has formed on a daily time frame chart, and now you can see that after the breakout, the price and rallied very well. And I was telling you that target for this breakout can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $0.00001, and you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target, but could not break out this long-term resistance on that. Starts from 1000 and goes to 1161. And after the rejection, the price and dropped down, and now it is testing this uptrend line support. That is, in fact, the support of a rising wedge pattern that recently it has formed after breaking out this channel. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. By the way, here we also have another support of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 on this daily time frame chart. You can see that the price line is almost about to hit this support of EMA 21 once again. And that is moving exactly almost at the same level where we have the support of this rising wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout from this very big inverse head and shoulder pattern. And you can see that after the breakout, this inverse head and shoulder pattern, we had a very nice pump, very massive pump. And from this low to the current high, you can see that it has rallied more than 1,835%. But could not break out this long-term resistance on that starts from 0.00001 and goes to 0.0001161 and previously this resistance on has been breaking out the resistance on here, and now again we are trying to break out this resistance on here while moving inside this wedge, and we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Pepe that I shared on 1st of Feb 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that Pepe formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart, and this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and sell targets on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very, very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has rallied more than 1,200%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description. You can find. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Pepe. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And this was the down channel that I've been showing you in my previous videos. And I was telling you that when it was dropped down here at this uptrend line support, this was, by the way, a quite long-term uptrend line support. Previously, it had been breaking at the resistance here, and resistance here. And you can see that after the breakout, it is flipped into a nice support. And I was telling you that now we have the support of the channel here. We also have this uptrend line support. And this support of 439 as well. That was the highest price here in the month of May 2023. That was another very, very strong support. So we had 3 supports here. Therefore, I was telling you that now there is a very, very high probability that we may break out the resistance of the channel. And the target for the breakout from this channel can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $0.00001. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. But in fact, we have a very, very strong resistance on here that starts from 1000 and goes to 1161, and previously we got rejection by this resistance on here, and now recently the price is once again rejected by this resistance on here as well. However, after this rejection, the price is dropped down at the support of this rising wedge pattern. At the same time, it is also moving above this support of EMA 21 as well. That was previously breaking as a support here and resistance here, and now after the breakout, you can see it is breaking as a very nice support. Like we had a bounce here, we had another nice bounce here from EMA 21, and now there is a probability that we may have another bounce from this support. However, if the price then breaks it down, the support of this rising wedge pattern, then the target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the wedge. That will be approximately at 478. And in that situation, the price then could drop down and test this long-term support, this uptrend line support. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $0.0001851. And once the price end will be reached there, then it can also break out this very long-term resistance on that starts from $0.00001 dollars and goes to $0.0001161. And once this resistance will be broken out, then this resistance will be flipped into a very long-term support zone, and this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term that was begun here after breaking out this very massive resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.